Google DeepMind just created an AI that can build the perfect ad, Pomelli explained. Imagine this. You open your laptop, type a single sentence about your business, and in seconds, an AI designs the perfect ad campaign. Images, copy, slogans, colors, even targeting, all done automatically. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's Pomelli, the brand new AI from Google DeepMind that could completely change how advertising works forever. In this video, we'll break down what Pomelli actually is, how it works, why marketers are calling it the ChatGPT of advertising, and what it means for the future of business, creativity, and jobs. What is Pomelli? Pomelli is Google DeepMind's latest creation, a generative AI system built to design high-performing ads automatically. Think of it like ChatGPT plus Canva plus Meta Ads Manager, all combined into one smart engine. You tell it what your product is, for example, a vegan coffee brand targeting young professionals. Pomelli instantly generates multiple ad versions, videos, banners, slogans, and even data-driven recommendations for where and when to show those ads. It doesn't just guess what works. It uses Google's massive data set of advertising performance, billions of impressions and engagement stats, to predict which combinations of words, colors, and formats will get the most clicks. It's not just making ads, it's optimizing psychology. The name, Pomelli. Even the name sounds like something out of a sci-fi startup. Pomelli comes from the Italian word for small knobs or handles, symbolizing control, customization, and precision. DeepMind's message is clear. They're handing you the controls to a super intelligent marketing engine. How Pomelli works. Behind the scenes, Pomelli runs on DeepMind's Gemini multimodal model, the same architecture that powers text, image, and video generation in one system. Here's how it operates step by step. You describe your product or business in natural language. Pomelli interprets your tone, brand personality, and goals. It generates ad assets, images, videos, taglines, voiceovers, and music. It predicts ad performance with real Google Ads data. It adapts automatically based on live campaign results. Basically, it's an AI marketer that never sleeps. The power of multimodal AI. Pomelli can analyze not just text, but visuals and emotions. For example, if you upload your product photo, it can instantly suggest better lighting, color grading, or even background changes to maximize viewer retention. It even simulates human emotional response, asking questions like, how will a 25-year-old in New York feel when they see this ad? And adjusting accordingly. The data advantage, Google's secret weapon. No one else can compete with Google on data. Every YouTube pre-roll, every banner click, every search ad, Pomelli learns from it all. That means it doesn't just create, it predicts success before an ad even goes live. It's like having access to the world's biggest marketing lab. The ethical debate begins. But here's where it gets controversial. If Pomelli can create and optimize ads better than any human, what happens to millions of marketing jobs? Graphic designers, copywriters, ad managers, are they all at risk of being replaced by a single AI system? Critics warn that Pomelli could make digital advertising a monopoly, where small businesses are completely dependent on Google's ecosystem. Others argue it might make advertising more fair, since small brands can finally compete with big corporations without spending millions on agencies. So, democratization or domination? Pomelli's creative edge. Pomelli's most impressive feature is its emotion engine. It studies how colors, sound, and wording affect viewer engagement. Example, change "buy now" to "treat yourself today." Pomelli predicts which version gets higher conversion in your target group. It's not guessing. It's learning from the digital behavior of billions of people. That's both genius and a little terrifying. Real-world tests. In early private trials, DeepMind let a few global brands test Pomelli, including a fashion label, a gaming company, and a food startup. Results were insane. Ad engagement increased by 37% on average, while cost per click dropped by 40%. Marketers called it unfair advantage. DeepMind called it the future of advertising. Pomelli and Gemini, the marketing singularity. Pomelli is also fully integrated with Gemini 2.0, Google's most advanced AI model, which means it understands context like never before. It can detect your brand's tone from your past campaigns, sync with your YouTube channel, and even generate scripts for your video ads. Imagine uploading one photo of your product, and Pomelli writes, designs, edits, and publishes your entire ad campaign in minutes. That's not just automation. That's AI replacing the entire creative department. What does this mean for the industry? Pomelli might be the biggest disruption to digital marketing since Google Ads itself. Ad agencies could shrink. Creative directors could become AI supervisors, and brands will compete not with creativity, but with data quality. The more data Pomelli has, the better it performs. So whoever controls the data controls the market. And guess who has the most data? Exactly. The future? AI selling to AI. Experts predict something wild. Soon, AI won't just make ads, it will watch them too. Picture this. Pomelli creates an ad, another AI system like Meta's or TikTok's analyzes it. The two AIs negotiate what to show to which user. That's an economy run entirely by artificial intelligence. Humans just become the audience. Is this the end of human creativity? Maybe not. Pomelli can create ads, but humans still define meaning. The AI can tell you what sells, but only people can decide what's worth selling. So instead of replacing creativity, Pomelli could actually amplify it, freeing humans from repetitive tasks and letting them focus on vision, emotion, and storytelling. So next time you scroll past a perfect ad that somehow feels like it's reading your mind, remember this name, Pomelli, because it probably did. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe, because next time we're uncovering how OpenAI and Meta are fighting back with their own ad-generating AIs. The war for your attention has officially begun.